here we go. So. Oh, okay, so it does come with instructions in English, which is very good for me, but I don't know if I'm gonna try reading it. Oh, it has like cute little drawings. So this is the instruction manual. Also comes in other languages. Okay, put that to the side, and then we continue opening the camera. Ooh. Oh, and it comes with this strap, which is a plus. So this is the camera. It's really light, which I love, and I love the color. Honestly, it might be lighter than my disposable camera. It is, yeah. It's crazy. According to the instructions, I need a AAA battery. So this is where you would insert the battery. And sadly, I only have a no. So now that I have the AAA battery, I'm going to teach you guys how to use this camera, or at least insert the film. So first, you're going to go to this top part. You see this thing? You lift it up, and then you pull it out. So it's popped out like this. And then I think this camera is a bit fragile. Well, it feels like it, so be careful when you're trying to open the back. So you're gonna go here, push it down. Oh, okay, easy. And this is what the inside looks like. So today I'm gonna use the KODAK Ultramax 400. You could really find this in any CVS or Rite Aid, and if you can't, you can always go on Amazon. So this is what it looks like. So to insert it, I'm just going to lift the camera, make sure this is up, and then I'm gonna put it in here. I am not very... Okay, there we go. So according to the instructions, you have to reel this, turn this, until you see a little bump. So there it is, you see that? And you're gonna fit in one of the holes from the film with that. There we go. And you have to make sure that this is flat and tight as opposed to like curved like this. So to do so, you reel it in again carefully. Okay, perfect. And now you can close it. And make sure to close this too. Okay, so we inserted the film. The next step is to insert the battery. So the negative is to the right and the positive is to the left. There we go. The last step is to make sure that this is on one. So to do that, you have to reel it in. There we go. So I'm guessing that's close enough, but I'm not too sure. So I think we can do a test run. Since I entered the battery, I think I should try the flash. And this will light up, and once this is bright enough, that means the flash is ready. You always have to wait a bit. I'm gonna click it now. Perfect. So this concludes the end of this video. I hope it was easy to follow along with. I'm gonna use this camera for the next few days and then try to get it developed in the next few weeks so I can show you guys the results and tell you guys my thoughts about how good this is or how bad it is. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. You don't have to, but yeah, I feel like I have to say that. Bye.